Welcome back to GDouble Computer Tutorials. In the previous lesson, I focused about user input in array, but we use it manually, right? Usual way. But in this lesson, we are going to run very interesting lesson. It's all about user input in array, but using loop. You know, a loop is one that simplifies the job, right? Yeah, especially in the coding. Now, as usual, we start by array declaration. Let us take like int max, then size 5, like this. Then after this, we just need to use the loop to read user input. That's why you need to use for. Then int I, which is equal to like 0, as you know, index starts from 0, then I must be less than 5, and then I must be increment. Then after this, we need now to allow user to enter an element, right? So let us use this one std, then cout, can just write like an element or enter element, then you can now use this one element I plus 1, you know, as you see here, our I starts from 0 and we will start with element 1. You know, element 1 represents by index 0. That's why we write I plus 1. Then here, we just need to put here, and then you can just put it here like this. Here like this, then semicolon here, right? So now also need to read this element number 1 by using ctd, then cin max I like this, to mean we receive or we read the first element at index 0, right? Then after this, now we can just display our elements by using also for loop. Let us also create for int I, which starts from 0, then I less than or equal to just less than 5, and then I increment, right? Then open this loop and close it, and then we need to write a statement that prints these elements, right? ctd, this one, then cout an element. We can write just value at, then we have array name called max, this one at max, then square bracket, and then inside create insert what call our index, which is I, then here also close our square brackets like this, then is equal to like this, then here now display our max, then with index I like this. We can just end our line by using this operator like this, right? So this is how you can read an array elements by using loop. Also print them by using loop in order to save time and make execution easily, right? So now let us make compilation to check for errors and then run it to check an output. You see there is no error. Let us run to check for an output. Yeah, you see, first of all, we need to enter element 1. Element 1 is just the max number 1. You can now enter like 5, like this. Then element 2, 56, like 28 here, just 23, then 45. Now, as you see, the value at max 0 to mean it's like value in our array or index 0 is equal to 45. Then as you see, for index 1 is 56, for 2 78, 23 and 45. So this is how you can do it in a simple way. And please, this is the end of today's lesson. Please tap on this subscribe icon and remember to open the bell so that you can be updated on every new video uploaded. So see you in next one.